I'm going to show you how you can get started with making your own webtoon. Now, if you want to make your own actual webtoon, that's a whole nother process that's very complicated. But if you want to get started, you can do Webtoon Canvas, right? So this is a free self-publishing method where you can publish your webtoon and comics. If you want to get here, so you want to go to a new search bar here, for example, and you want to type in Webtoon Canvas like this, right? So Webtoon Canvas. Now you can see this is what it will look like. So just go to tier 1, Webtoon Canvas. The nice create with comic is here. So this is what it would look like. Webtoon Canvas is look like this, right? So this is a more traditional one where all of it is here, right? So it's all self-published here. So if you want to go there, you want to go to what is Canvas here. You want to tap on Get Started Now. Now on here, let's just wait for this to load. Now on here, this is where you will put in all of your comic here, right? So you'll have to create a series. So you need to put in a square thumbnail, a genre. So for example, comedy or fantasy, and then the series title, the summary, the email, and then the content rating, self-assessment. So all of this here, like is there sexual content, is there nudity, is there profanity, is there alcohol, drugs, or tobacco, sensitive themes, and then you have to check all of these out to create the series. After that, this is just a thumbnail, right? After that, you will need to put in the episodes. So you will need to upload everything, right? So upload all of your files, and then you need to genreify it here as well. And then after that's done, you can start publishing it on Webtoon Canvas.